Welcome back to Classic Rider Hub. Today we are talking about one of the most exciting upcoming motorcycles that has been creating a lot of buzz among bike enthusiasts. The new Triumph Tracker 400. Triumph has already impressed riders with the Speed 400 and Scrambler 400X. And now the Tracker 400 is expected to bring a fresh style inspired by classic flat-track motorcycles. It combines retro design, modern technology, and everyday practicality, making it an attractive choice for riders looking for something unique. The Triumph Tracker 400 is expected to use the same powerful 398cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth performance and excellent reliability. This engine produces around 40 horsepower and offers strong low-end torque, making city rides enjoyable while also providing enough power for highway cruising. One of the biggest highlights of the new Tracker 400 is its distinctive styling. The motorcycle is likely to feature a flat seat, minimalist bodywork, a compact fuel tank, wide handlebars, and sporty alloy wheels. These design elements give it a clean and aggressive look, inspired by traditional flat-track racing bikes while maintaining everyday comfort. The suspension setup is expected to include premium upside-down front forks and a rear providing excellent stability and rider confidence on different road conditions. The lightweight chassis should make the bike easy to handle, whether you're riding through traffic or enjoying twisty roads on the weekend. For braking. Triumph is expected to equip the Tracker 400 with front and rear disc brakes supported by dual-channel ABS. This setup will provide strong stopping power and improved safety during emergency braking situations. Modern features are also expected to be part of the package. Riders may get a fully digital or semi-digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, USB charging, ride-by-wire throttle, switchable traction control, and high-quality switchgear. These features make the bike competitive in the premium 400cc segment. Comfort has also been considered. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-cushioned seat are expected to make long rides less tiring while giving riders complete control in urban environments. In terms of competition, the Triumph Tracker 400 will likely challenge bikes such as the KTM 390 Duke, Husqvarna Svartpilen 401, Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450, and Honda CB300R. However, Triumph's premium build quality, timeless styling, and refined engine could give it a strong advantage. Pricing has not been officially confirmed, but industry expectations suggest that the